You should be buying stocks. And I've learned that you need to set your house in order. And doing that is by taking care of your bills, paying off your debts, having life insurance, having investments, investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, investing in many, many things that can move your family forward. And right now, with everything that's happening in the horizon, you should be buying stocks. You should be buying stocks. Think of companies of what you love. Many of you start considering the car you drive, the products you enjoy, what's in your home. Many of you start seeing companies like Procter and Gamble, Johnson and Johnson, Toyota, Ford, GM, Stellantis, Tesla. You start looking at Lucid and many other car, Rivian, other car companies. And you start looking at what you love. Lululemon, Kmart, well, not Kmart, Walmart. You start looking at Costco, you start looking at companies like that, and you start seeing that you know more about the economy than you give yourself credit for. Some of you here have gifts that you can teach me, that I could sit under your feet and learn. Many of you understand industries or sectors in the economy that you can already invest in things that you love, whether it's that Nvidia, whether you a gamer, you love Twitch, you love Roblox, you love Grand Theft Auto, you love Call of Duty. These things are publicly traded companies. From GameStop, which has been famous. Thank you, Rory and Kitty. It's been made famous because of you. Now you start looking at other sectors from futures and oil. If you're a farmer in the middle of the country, in the Midwest, and you're a farmer, you start looking at futures. You start looking at wheat. You start looking at soybeans. You start looking at oil, energy, and you start looking at what the economy is doing, whether it's through nuclear power. You start to look at Constellation, you start looking at Peabody, you start looking at ExxonMobil, you start looking at all these companies where you can invest your hard-earned dollars on companies and let it grow throughout the next generation. See, the Bible talks about leaving an inheritance to your children's children, and that's what's biblical about this, is you to leave an inheritance to your children's children.